I grew up in the building world. My dad was a builder, and my brother and I were dragged out onto a job site at a young age, put on roofs, all kinds of probably illegal or dangerous situations for kids nowadays.
So out of high school, I got a job doing concrete work, which don't do concrete, don't do concrete work. And
Go to college.
And some sewer, exactly, and some sewer and water work. And then I moved to Florida. My church started going to Haiti to build churches. I don't know why, I just went and went over there like 5 times and was building houses over there. And so I just kind of picked it up that way. And then I fell through my ceiling in a rental property, and I found them on I found them on Google, and I asked for a job, and he gave me a job, and the rest is history.
He really did fall through his ceiling and call me and ask if I could repair the drywall.
I did.
Good guy. Did a good job.
So my wife bought these cheap pair of Birkenstock shoes from, I don't know, like Payless Shoe Source or something.
At least
like
your
that.
wife buys cheap shoes.
Yeah.
Come on. I mean,
And,
that's not a sad story.
The sole fell apart, and I was like, I got it. And I literally took Lexel, and I put Lexel in between the soles, and I put a brick on it, and I glued my wife's shoe back together, and it's held ever since. I put that on everything.
Yeah.
I'd have to go Tom Cruise.
Because he's short.
We're both short, both good looking, and we. Yeah,
I think that's pretty accurate. I don't know. Clint Eastwood, maybe.
Oh,
Yeah, like little tough,
Johnny Knoxville?
rough around the edges. I'm
like
just
that.
not very well put together in person as a real person. I enjoy seeing things happen and like get done, like framing walls, building roofs. Like at the end of the day, you look and you're like, holy cow, like we got something done.
You actually step back and you're like, wow, I actually just built a house. That's pretty awesome.
Wow, I'm amazing.
I just built a house. It was pretty